What if I told you humans are about to go further than ever before? Again, 50 years after the moon landing, we are finally going back. But this time, it's different. This rocket will carry humans 250,000 miles into deep space and bring them back alive. What if the next giant leap for humanity is already in motion? The Artemis II mission is not just another space flight. It's the moment we step back into deep space after more than 50 years. After the success of Artemis I, NASA is now preparing to send astronauts around the moon again. This is the beginning of a new era, the Artemis generation. And this time we are not just visiting, we are preparing to stay and go even further to Mars. Why Artemis II matters? Let's rewind for a second. Back in 1969, Apollo 11 proved something incredible. Humans can reach the moon. But here is the truth. We barely scratched the surface. The longest time humans stay on the moon, just about 72 hours. That's it. Now, the Artemis II mission is here to change everything. This mission is not about landing. It's about testing, learning, and preparing for long-term human exploration. Because if we want to reach Mars someday, we first need to master the moon. The crewed mission. Unlike Artemis I, which was uncrewed, Artemis II will carry astronauts on board. 4 explorers, 4 humans, traveling farther than anyone has in over 50 years. This will ride inside the powerful Orion spacecraft launched by NASA's most powerful rocket ever built, the Space Launch System. This is not just a test flight anymore. When humans are on board, everything changes. Now it's about life, support, safety system, and survival in deep space. How the mission works? Here is how the Artemis II mission will unfold. First, launch. The rocket lifts off from Kennedy Space Center with massive force, about 8.8 million pounds of thrust. In just minutes, the crew escapes Earth's gravity. Next, they enter a high Earth orbit to test system and controls. Then comes the most important moment, translunar injection. That's the engine burn that sent them toward the moon. From there, the spacecraft follows a special path called a free return trajectory. This means even if something goes wrong, the moon gravity will naturally bring them back to Earth. It's the ultimate safety backup. Over the next few days, the crew travels deep into space, about 250,000 miles away. That's further than most humans have ever been. Then they fly around the moon. They will see the far side, a view no human has witnessed in decades. What they will test. The Artemis II mission is packed with critical tests. First, life support systems. The spacecraft must act like a mini Earth, providing oxygen, water, temperature control, and removing carbon dioxide. Second, human survival in deep space. Astronauts will experience radiation, microgravity, and extreme conditions. NASA needs to understand how the human body reacts. Third, manual control. For the first time, astronauts will actually pilot the Orion spacecraft. This is crucial for future missions, especially when docking with other vehicles. And finally, science. The crew will observe the moon, study space radiation, and collect valuable data for future exploration. The dangerous return. Now comes the most intense part, coming home. As the spacecraft re-enters Earth's atmosphere, it travels at over 25,000 miles per hour. Temperatures reach nearly 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's almost as hot as the surface of the sun. The only thing protecting the crew, a powerful heat shield. This heat shield was tested during Artemis I, and now it will face the ultimate test with humans on board. After surviving re-entry, parachute deployed, and the capsule splashes down in the Pacific Ocean. Mission complete. The bigger picture. So, why does all this matter? Because the Artemis II mission is just the beginning. It leads directly to Artemis III, the mission that will land humans on the moon again. But not just anywhere. NASA is targeting the moon's south pole, a region rich in water, ice, and resources. This could become the base for future space missions. And from there, Mars. The moon becomes our training ground, our launch pad for the future. The Artemis II mission is more than a flight. It's a statement, a reminder that humanity does not stop exploring. From Apollo to Artemis, we are once again reaching for the stars. The question is no longer if we will return to the moon, it's when. And it all begins with Artemis II.